Summer's scorching heat demands a dependable air conditioner to stay cool and comfortable. Daikin's MTKL series of inverter air conditioners offers the right solution to cater to your comfort requirements. Let's take a closer look at Daikin's MTKL series to help you beat the heat this summer. This inverter AC is available in an elegant white color with a 1 and 1.5 ton capacity. It also boasts a 3-star energy saving rating along with an ISEER rating of 4.0, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized rooms and a perfect blend of style and performance. Daikin's AC features a patented inverter swing compressor that is designed to provide high energy efficiency, ensuring effective cooling without consuming too much energy. Not just that, but with its power chill operation, you can enjoy instant cooling, even at scorching temperatures of up to 52 degrees Celsius. Now upgrade your cooling experience. Built with an inner-grooved copper condenser coil, it ensures for faster heat exchange, better cooling performance, and increased durability. And the best part, it requires low maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. You can enjoy uninterrupted cooling with its stabilizer inside operation feature that works within a wide voltage range, 130 to 265 volts. With its triple display feature, you can monitor the set temperature, room temperature, and estimated power consumption of your AC in percentage, in real time, and the automatic error code feature makes maintenance and troubleshooting a breeze. Now breathe in purified air with its PM 2.5 filter that helps filter out small dust particles of size 2.5 micron. Additionally, it comes with DuClean technology that ensures the air you breathe is healthy, pure, and free from impurities. With this AC, experience superior comfort with its Coanda Airflow technology that ensures draftless cool air and lower pull-down time. Plus, with its 3D airflow technology, air is circulated uniformly throughout your room, leaving no corner untouched. It also comes with anti-corrosion treatment, which not only protects your AC unit but also increases its lifespan. Enjoy its peaceful and quiet operation that allows you to sleep uninterrupted with noise levels as low as 26 decibels to 32 decibels. Overall, the Daikin Split AC is a great option for those looking for a stylish and efficient AC. It is also backed by a warranty of 1 year on the product, 5 years on the PCB, and an impressive 10 years on the inverter compressor. When you purchase Daikin Split AC, you will find all the essential components in the package, such as 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, 3-meter length interconnecting copper pipe, 1 remote. Check out delivery and installation messaging.